In Jordan's class, students are awarded certificates for outstanding work, and the table shows the number of certificates awarded to certain students. So in this class, 4 students got no certificates, 9 students got 1 certificate, and so on. So to work out the median number of certificates awarded, well, first of all, we need to know how many students there are in Jordan's class. And if we add up 4, 9, 7, 1, 6, and 3, we get 30. So there are 30 students in his class. Now, if there are 30 students in his class, to find the median is going to be exactly halfway between from 0 to 30. So imagine the 30 students in his class all standing in a line. Notice that the table conveniently puts everybody in order. So the first 4 students, if you like, got 0, so it goes 0, 0, 0, 0. The next 9 students all got 1, and so on. But it is a bit tedious to list all of these out. So let's have a look at another way of doing this. So we've got the 30 students in the class. There will be 15 in the bottom half, and then will be 15 in the top half. And the median is going to be exactly after the 15th student and before the 16th student. So if you like, the 15th student is just here, the top one of the bottom 15, and the 16th student is there. Now, if we look at the table, it really helps to work out the cumulative frequency. The first 4 students all got 0. The next 9 students, well, that makes 13, all got 1. So the top 13 students all got, sorry, bottom, I suppose, all got 0 or 1. 13 and 7 is 20. So the first 20 students all got 0, 1 or 2. Add 1, 21. Add the 6, 27. Add the 3 makes 30. Now we are looking for the 15th student, how many certificates they got, and the 16th student. And if we have a look at how many they got, well, the first 13 students all got 0 or 1. But from the 14th to the 20th, they all got 2. So the 15th student got 2, the 16th student got 2. The median is actually going to be 2. Now, a slightly quicker way, rather than thinking about the data like that, is to say if we have n items, to find the position of the median, we do n plus 1 divided by 2. Now, in this case, n is 30. So if we do 30 plus 1, well, that's 31 divided by 2. That comes out as 15.5, which again tells us the median is between the 15th and the 16th person. So the median is again 2. It's a quicker way of doing it. For the interquartile range, just to understand the idea here, if this is all of our data, the median splits the data in 2. The quartiles split the data into 4 equal quarters. Here's the lower quartile, it's a quarter of the way up the data. The upper quartile is here, 3/4 of the way up the data. And then the interquartile range is the difference between the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So it's actually the upper quartile take away the lower quartile. So again, let's have a think. We have got 30 students all arranged, and in the bottom half we have 15 students. In the upper half we have 15 students. So if you like to find the lower quartile, I'm going to find halfway up a group of 15 students. Now again, if I add 1, so to take the number of students, add 1 and divide by 2, well, that comes out as 16 over 2. And in fact, the median then of this bottom group, which is actually the lower quartile, is going to be the 8th student. Now, if we look back at the table, first 4 students, no certificates, but from the 5th to the 13th, they all got 1 certificate. So the 8th student got 1 certificate. Okay, now I'm going to do the same for the top half. So for the top half here, if I do, again, 15 plus 1 divided by 2, comes out to 16 over 2, which is the 8th. What I'm looking for is the 8th student in this top half. Okay, well, we know that the 15th student was there. Here we have the 16th student. So from the 16th to the 30th student, easiest way to think of this is for the 8th student in the second half there is to think of it as the 15th student plus the 8th student. Well, that comes out as the 23rd. So what we're looking for is how many certificates the 23rd student got. Well, we can see from here the 21st student is here. The 21st student got 3, but from the 22nd to the 27th, he actually got, they all got 4 certificates. So the 23rd student will have got 4 certificates. So the 23rd student got 4. Okay, so the 23rd got 4 certificates. Okay, so what we've got then is that the upper quartile is these 4 certificates, the lower quartile is 1 certificate, the interquartile range is going to be 4 take away 1, which is 3 certificates.